Hi everyone, Renee from Longtree, Colorado. Do you hear my music playing in the background? I don't have copyrights, just want to say that. Today we are going to be doing a tour of my greenhouse. Between my house and my home, I've got 400 plus plants, kind of lost track of it. So let's get started, guys. Let's just move right over here. We'll start right in this corner. And of course, that is a Prince of Orange. By the way, guys, if you're returning to my channel, I really appreciate it. If you're new, welcome. And I hope you enjoy what you're seeing. Down here, guys, I've just got all different kinds of ferns. I've just kind of got them stacked in there. This right here, this is called a fairy plant, and it's got a little name of its own. It's on the tag, but it's a fairy plant I took two and put together and made one, you know, a bigger one, and this has grown so much. These are great little plants. So let me get moving over here. Arrow plant. Oh, looking good, looking good. They all look so healthy. I do a lot of cleaning on them. Their leaves, they get misted 4 times a day. And this is just a big collection of ferns that I have because I love them so much. There's a little spider. That's one of my kokedamas that I've been making. If you haven't seen my kokedama video, ladies, you need to look. This is a big fern that I have here. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? I found it cutting in my cart at the store one day. Brought it home, propagated it, and that's what I got. This is another rabbit's foot fern. I've got 2 of them. This one right here, let me tell you a little bit about. I got it for $12. It had 2 leaves. One was burnt. And I brought it home, and look at it now. It is doing fabulous. It really likes it out here. Going in, I got prayer plants. I wished it was dark enough to where they would open up for you because it's just so beautiful. I like coming out here in the evenings. My husband and I, and we just look at everything. This right here, guys, I bought for $3. $3. It was dead. It has some leaves on it, very few. That looks like that. Really light leaves, more like this. And see how that's burnt? But anyways, so if you put it in too much sun, it'll pull that color. With the correct amount of sun, look what you get. So this thing is really rocking for $3. This is another fairy I like. I got a lot of open spots because I'm working with some plants. This is just like some kind of ivy I got running. Another prayer plant here. And, I mean, look at the shoots everywhere. Just everywhere. It's going crazy. Now, I do have it setting on a tray of pebbles. So, all of my plants like that, get that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at my Easter cactus. Isn't that pretty? And I noticed at night they close up. So, it's pretty cool. This is a succulent that I have. Look at the colors on that. And this thing goes way, way up. So And then in the back there, I've got some succulents sitting there, and they're doing great. Here is some Jew. Guys, isn't it weird how Jew has gotten to be so expensive? I mean, just expensive. And I don't want to buy it. I'll take a couple of little snaps off of it. But that's about it. So, there's that. Okay, over here, I've got some big ivies kind of shading that whole area right there. And they are just growing so long. And I've got hangers up top. This is on a big pulley system, as you can see up there. And all I've got to do is take my rope, undo it, and pulley it down. That way I can groom and water. This is my string of hearts here. It looks like it's doing pretty good. I need to repot it. So this I wanted to wait and show you. This is my begonia. And it is a non-stop blooming begonia. This thing is crazy. Just crazy. I love it. Look, there's a leaf, a bad leaf on it. I gotta take that off. So, okay, where are we at? I'm trying to remember because I don't want to get... Did I show y'all guys the... I think I did. And I think I'm over here because I jumped around too much. Of course, a parlor palm. Everybody's got to have one of those. There is my other rabbit's foot fern. I've had this thing for years and years. Look at the roots on that thing. It's a crazy, but this is really the best it's ever done. So I'm pleased with it. And I got some stuff back there. Look at that, guys. That's my Christmas cactus. It is June the 2nd, and it is blooming. So, and how about that? What do you think about that beautiful thing? Look at the leaves on that. It is doing so awesome. So, real pleased with that. I got that at Home Depot, and it was already on the, not trellis, but you know what I'm talking about. It was already trailing up, and it's so cute. Alright, so this is a fern, and it is an asparagus fern. Now, I just want to take a look at that. Well, I've got it here. I think that's dead. What a bummer. Okay. Okay, here's this. This right here is a clements vine I decided to put in, and I'm going to see what it does. I'm going to see how she does. Coming over here, we got that. Let me move these back so you can get a good picture of that. This is a little fairy plant also, which I love. This is called a friendship plant. Let me kind of back out of here. I want to show you, this is actually a fern also. It is in the asparagus family. And, I mean, it is just growing new every single day. It's wrapped itself up, and it's going on the mixture system. So, I'm going to leave it. I don't mind. My husband might, but... And I've got a couple of these. Again, I got these for very cheap. I got that one for $2. $2. Had one leaf. And ladies, I'm getting these at your grocery store. Check your grocery store floral department out. Look at the color on that. Yeah, check it out and become friends. with the lady that runs that place, and you won't regret it. Alright. Had to put that in that cute little picture. Now guys, if you look around and you notice, like you'll see little stuff like this and this. I just love putting decorations, my peperonia, and then my money plant. I love putting little decorations in. It just makes it look so good. And I think the plants like it. I really do. So, there's my pink crown of thorns. And of course, a pothos that I have over there. It's getting pretty big. Coming back around this way. Cheesecloth. It's doing really good. It's doing real good. If it gets any longer, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And of course, I've got my palm. A nice elephant ear. Love this. I actually got this from a grocery store also, and it has grown. Check the video out that I did where I actually potted this. So, going up here, these are all, I've got 4 spider plants. I grew all of these from babes. I planted them probably in November, I'm thinking, December, something like that. This is my Schefflera, and it was huge. I couldn't even walk back here, and I cut it. I chopped it, but I had to. So scooting back just a little bit right here. And I am a begonia lover, and let me tell you about this begonia and this begonia here. Ladies, I kid you not, I paid $1 a piece. They were limp and literally dead. By the time I got it home and trimmed it up, I think I might have had, I don't know, 5 or 6 left. 5 or 6 leaves left. So, I just love begonias. I love them. And this one is just going crazy. And I love this too. I love the vibrant colors of it. And it's doing so good sitting there. And then, of course, I've got that purple one. You just have to kind of look through everything, because if you don't, you're going to miss it. Okay, so right here, if I kind of scoot over a little bit, I've got a fuchsia up there. And I love this one. It is trailing beautifully. Real nice, real nice. And that's how much it's grown. That thing has grown so much. And that's why I had to put it like in a huge pot, because it was just too much. So, and I think we got everything in here taken care of, except for my monstera and the little fern there. So this is my monstera. I've actually got a couple. I've got one sitting outside right now. I've got this one, and then I've got a small one in the front. I do have that also. So, alright guys. Well, I think we got the gist of everything in here, guys. So, there we go. That is part 1. And keep an eye out for part 2. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the second half.